You guys, I am sad. Okay, I'm sad. I am sad. Let me tell you guys why I'm sad. Guys, I just finished doing my hair. Oh, I think I love it. Anyways, hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, it is a brand new day. It is 25 minutes after 11 in the morning, and I have so much to get done today. Today is a super busy day. It's a new adventure for us. So hold on, let me fix this. It will be a new adventure for us today, so I have to get a routine down to see how each week on this day how it will be. So today is Tyler's first swim class, and I am super excited. Like, it's my swim lesson, honey, but I'm so excited for him to start. And we all have a family dentist appointment today, so I'm seeing the dentist, babe seeing the dentist, Tyler seeing the dentist today. It's actually Tyler's first dentist appointment. Yeah, so we have to do that, then take him to his swim lessons in the evening, and baby's just gonna come with me for the first lesson, since that we'll all be at the dentist first and he won't be going back to work, so he's just gonna tag along. Sarah is sleeping right now. She's taking a nap. Tyler is on the phone talking to Rose, and I am packing all our stuff that way I can give him lunch, put him down for a little nap before we head out on the road, because it will be a long evening, afternoon. So that's what's up right now. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys are staying loved, staying blessed, staying motivated, and whatever it is that you guys have to do throughout the day, plan your day. Make your day priority, make you priority. Whatever else have to wait and have to come after, plan your day, stick to a schedule, and you'll get everything accomplished. You'll be surprised to see how much you can get accomplished within a day when you make things priority. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys will just have a good day, and if it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna show you guys Sarah and Tyler right now, and then go back into doing what I have to do. You guys, I'm rocking my clippings. Sarah just fall asleep in her lounger. Look at her sucking her passy still. And Tyler is in his room talking to Rose on the phone.
In a different class now. When I was yellow, he was in my class. When I was yellow, look, he was in my.
Say hello to the vlog.
Hey guys.
Watch Tyler blocking out the camera.
Look at that.
Listen, he wants his Auntie Rose back. All right, go back to your Tyler. All right, so that's Tyler, and Tyler don't want you guys to share Rose with him. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to go back to cleaning this kitchen and just do everything that I have to do. So I won't stay long with you guys because you're gonna have priorities. So let go. Oh my gosh, speak about multitasking. That's what I'm doing all morning, you guys. I refuse to come back home tired and be miserable or have junk food. So since I don't want to do that, since I don't want to do that, of course I'm cooking before we go. I have approximately 1 hour before I leave here, so I have some rice on steaming for the boys that they can have, and I am gonna saute some shrimp real quick so that when we get home everybody will have dinner because it will be way past dinner time when we get back. And since we won't have the car with us, one, that will be hard to go get fast food, and two, I don't really want to go to fast food. So it's best that I cook and leave dinner at home than to go to fast food. So I'm just whipping this up real quick, shawty. Rice almost done, and I'm just gonna throw in the shrimp to saute now. I'm just doing some shrimp in oyster sauce, and I just add my seasoning on it, my regular onion, sweet peppers, and oyster sauce and garlic, and I'm gonna add a little sugar to bring up that bad boy. Yes. That is on. Boom. And ready to go in. No, that smells so good. In 5 minutes my shrimp will be done, and see, my rice just stopped. I need to go wash this right now. Rice done. That's done, and maybe I'll even be able to make my veg before I leave this house. That way when we get in, it's just eating time. Look who is ready to go to dentist and swim classes. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, we soon go. Alright. And boom, shrimp is done, honey. Ready? Yes. Shrimp's ready. Rice is ready. And easy to have dinner. You guys, we are ready to go. Tell her you ready?
Yeah.
Alright, there goes Ty. He's all ready. Oh, you're ready. You're ready. She wants to sleep. Ready to go? I didn't even get to show Faves the outfit of the day, but that's okay. Pretty girl. Ready? Ready? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. See Faves there? We made it to town. We made it to our doctor's appointment. We are about 45 minutes in advance. So I stop at the park. There's a park close beside that. I stop to let Tyler have a little fun before we head to our dentist. Baby's on his way to meet us right now, and it's a perfect time for me to feed Sarah just before we head into our dentist appointment. So it's all good. Let me show you guys Tyler. Where is he? Sarah is here sleeping away. It's Tyler there. You have to sit on it. You gonna spin it all by yourself? Faster and faster and faster. And then you hold your foot up and you'll go. Foot up, foot up. Ah! Good job. You went in the slide? You went in the slide?
Count to just to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay?
Well, there you go. You just count to 10, so go now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bravo. You want to try this one? Or no?
No, because it's like
Guys, we're at the dentist and I got my teeth clean, white and pretty. And Tyler got his teeth clean, white and pretty. But I didn't go in with him, so I couldn't get to film and show you guys. You did well?
Yes.
And you didn't cry?
Yes.
You cried?
No.
Okay, tell Faith what happened.
I didn't cry and Papa teeth was messy.
Oh, you know Papa teeth was messy.
I saw it.
You saw it?
Yes, there's pink in the...
There's pink in Papa mouth.
No, there was a pink in the down teeth.
In the down teeth?
Yeah.
He said Mama, Papa teeth was messy. There was pink in the down teeth. Maybe Papa teeth is bleeding when the doctor was cleaning it. That's what you saw?
Yeah.
He's hilarious. But we all got our teeth clean. Should have our white teeth.
We are the first and Papa is a loser, right?
Why is Papa a loser?
Because
Papa get his teeth clean last.
yes, and good look. Because you know why Papa lost?
Why?
Because the one that brushed the teeth in first wins and they go back on the road and the last one lost.
Okay. But something about mine is that I don't know if you guys can see down here. It's red. He said that there's blood in my gum, so I have to go do a scan for them to email it back to him, email the result back to him to see. He said he wants to see if it's the bone or something with my gum why there's blood there. So see it's red.
Yeah.
He said but it's the first time seeing it. He said I got a prescription to go to a radiology to do a scan.
Look,
so yeah.
and look if there's blood here.
No, hello.
But Papa, you lost.
You guys, I am sad. Okay, I'm sad. I am sad. Let me tell you guys why I'm sad. My baby is in swim classes and I cannot see him practicing. I cannot see him swimming. I couldn't even get to go inside. Babe alone.
You can go with Sarah.
So I can't go. I can't go. I can't go in because I have Sarah. One, I can't go in, period. Babe just had to shuffle him in and shuffle him out like a boot camp. My God. I wasn't expecting that. My gosh.
I put Tyler under the water like
He started crying.
shower. So he had to take shower
Before he go in the
before to
pool.
go in. So I put him inside and he didn't want it to go in.
Because the water is cold, that's why. He didn't want to go under the shower because he know it's cold. So he started crying and I could hear his voice from outside. But babe said once he went under the shower, went out and got out, he went to his teacher and it's like about 4 of them in a group. So he's in his group and he's there doing his thing right now. The only thing is, what I'm sad about is that you can't see him, you can't see what he's doing, you can't, nothing. He's just locked away on his own, but he's a big boy, so he'll be alright. Babe said he said bye-bye Tyler, and Tyler said bye-bye Papa. That was it.
Yeah,
But I wish I could
come
sit and see. I wish I could see something. And babe wouldn't even take out his phone and snap a quick picture of him or nothing. Sure. We can't see my baby. So when class finishes, he's just gonna walk out cool and dry and wet. Not even his towel he didn't have. My God, this is a real good. I know, but I mean.
Yeah, your boy is 4, your boy is not 1.
I know, but jeez. Oh. Anyway, you guys.
Not the only one that is.
I know, I'm not saying. But I want him to see. I want to be there. I wish. Anyway, you guys. Sarah is here. Waiting on brother. We're waiting for brother. So we'll be here for the next about 45 minutes. And then we're gonna head home and he'll tell us all about it. You guys can see Sarah birthmark in her head. That's the only birthmark Sarah have in her head back. You guys, let me take a breath. It is actually the next day and I'm just coming on to end this vlog. This day just went by. It was just go non-stop going. After Tyler finished swim classes, I couldn't even get to pull out the camera because we were just going. Went to take the tram, and then on the tram and something happened. Not the tram that we were on, but our tram had to stop on the track. All the trams within the area had to just stop because on another tram that was on the line, someone passed out and died, unfortunately, and so the trams were stopped. We had to get off and they shuttle us through buses to our various stops, so we had to go on the bus and then get home. So that's what happened yesterday. And then we got home and we all were so tired. A good thing that I made dinner. We got home, we ate, and everybody went to bed. We were all exhausted yesterday, but nonetheless Tyler had a really good time. He told us all about what he did and he was excited and he can't wait to go back next week for his next lesson. So that's what happened in today's vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoy. I'm just coming on to tell you guys thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new to the fam bam. And Sarah and I is saying what we're saying. Tomorrow. Tell faves tomorrow. So see you guys tomorrow. Give them a smile. So see you guys tomorrow. So see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching.